How to send money from Tonkeeper to your trust wallet. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallet by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your trust wallet and sign in with your Face ID or passcode, and then you're just gonna need to select your cryptocurrency. In this case it is going to be USDT, and then you're just gonna need to select it and click on receive. Now you just need to copy your wallet address and make sure to read the following on the top. Only send Tether USDT, which is ERC20 asset, to this address. Other assets will be lost forever. Then you're just gonna need to open up your Tonkeeper, and once you have signed in, you're just gonna need to scroll down until you see USDT and then click on it. Now you need to click on send button and then paste your wallet address just like so. If it is showing you this error, you need to go back to your trust wallet, and what you need to do is to simply search for USDT again, but this time you just need to select the Ton network. Click on all networks and then simply search for Ton and click on it. So right now, as you can see, no data has been found. So let's try out Ton coin. So simply click on it and click on receive and simply copy your address. Then open up your trust wallet and then you just need to search for Ton coin and then click on it. Click on send. Simply enter the address just like so. As for the memo tag, as you can see, sending funds with memo or destination tag, leave it blank if not required by the recipient. In this case, Tonkeeper does not require the memo or destination tag, so you don't need to worry about. You're just gonna need to make sure to do a trust transaction, like you can go with some $10 or $15 worth of Ton coin and then click on next button and follow the on-screen instruction. Now once you have received your Ton coin into your Tonkeeper, you're just gonna need to go for the swap option, and then you can simply search for USDT in the swap options. Simply click on receive and select USDT, and then make sure to simply enter the amount and follow the on-screen instructions, and you will gonna receive your USDT into your Tonkeeper.